In 1776, the frigate San Antonio took supplies and weapons to Monterey and San Diego. Once the packages from Monterey were unloaded, the captain weighed anchor on June 31st. Don Diego Choquet de Isla, with the rank of frigate lieutenant, commanded the ship. After demonstrating the nobility of his ancestors, he entered the Marine Guard School in 1761. After graduating from the Cadiz Navy Guard School, he sailed on ships that fought against pirates. Diego was the son of Don Pedro Choquet de Isla y Zayas, lieutenant of cavalry and royal household. On April 11th, the ship commanded by Don Diego Choquet de Isla arrived in San Diego. The Franciscan Fray Juniper Serra was on board. He will be in charge of the missions. Fray Juniper Serra and Captain Diego Choquet de Isla repaired burned houses in San Diego mission. Apache tribes fiercely attacked San Diego the previous year. The mission had been burned and destroyed by the Indians on the night of November 4, 1775. The return trip to San Blas lasted between October 8 and 29, 1776. Don Diego sailed to Manila in the same frigate to announce the war between Spain and England. The trip took place between December 18, 1779, and March 31, 1780. Don Diego communicated the news to the High Command of the Spanish Armada in the Philippines. In addition, he brought 1,000 ducats on his ship to modernize the fortification of Manila. In Manila, he served as assistant to the Captain General of the archipelago, Don José Vasco y Vargas. Furthermore, he collaborated in the formation and training of local troops. In 1783, he was given command of the ship San Jose, bound for Acapulco. On that trip, he suffered several hurricanes and lost 83 men, who had to be replaced in San Blas. This heroic navigation is part of the history of the famous Manila Galleon. Don Diego managed to transport a valuable cargo, 3 million Mexican pesos minted in pure gold. After another stay in Manila in 1786, Don Diego returned to Spain with the rank of frigate captain. This time he followed the route of the Cape of Good Hope. In 1794, he held the position of Lord of the Castle of Sancti Petri, in the coast near Cadiz, Spain. In the same year, he obtained the habit of Knight of Santiago. The last years of his life were spent in Madrid. He died in 1805.